Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Listen, today I've got an interesting one for you. See over my shoulder here? That's an air tank. Matter of fact, it's an air tank that is about 20 years old. There's no drain valve on it. Got the goggles out. How about we cut it open and see what's inside? Okay, before we get started, if you're new to the channel, thanks a lot for stopping by. Consider subscribing if you like this kind of content. So what you see here is an air tank that I picked up 19 years ago. Obviously, over the years, I've filled it a ton of times. And when you compress air, there's humidity in that air. Obviously, it's going to generate rust. Well, that air tank does not have a drain. So recently, as I'm filling it up, I got to thinking, I wonder if it's rusty on the inside and therefore, is this dangerous? So I started looking at the tank to see, was there an expiration date or anything like that that said, hey, you need to get rid of this, get a new one by this date? The answer is, yep, there is one. It's not here. It is stamped right here. I don't know if you could see that on camera, but right here it says get rid of the tank 7 years after June of 2006. Well, we're in 2025, so obviously it's potentially a safety concern. So I think what we need to do today, see if we can get this off. This has been on there forever. It probably won't come off. If we can't get it off, totally fine. Got the old grinder out. We'll take the end of this thing off and let's just see inside. Is there rust? Were we getting close to where this thing could have perhaps exploded because I've put so much air pressure in there? Obviously, as time went on, this will hold about 120 psi. I made sure and hold it below 100. Doesn't matter. I don't know about you. I'd much rather be safe. Just get another one of these. Let's cut it open. Take a look. Okay, obviously, let's practice safe grinding. Got our goggles. Put a link in the description for these. These are excellent. I even use those when I mow. Dust goes everywhere. They're sealed all around. I'm gonna have some hearing protection on too. Let's see what in the world's inside this. Yeah, we're not going anywhere. All right, gonna pull out this pressure release. Completely empty. Good. Okay. Try to unscrew this gauge. Just doing anything I can to try to help the disassembly. That's not gonna go anywhere. That's not going anywhere. All right. Now for the main event. Let's cut this thing open. Comment down below if you think there's going to be a lot of rust in there. Pretty solid. It held air, didn't leak. Nothing. Now you can see we're on a cement surface. It's going to spark, obviously. So we're way away from the grass. We want to make sure that we contain all of this when we do it. I'm going to adjust my guard to the top like that. Here we go. All right, we've broken through the tank. Now we just need to cut it all around so I can pop the end off and show you. It's not too rusty. I figured it would be a lot more rusty. This is really thick metal. You can see some signs of rust right here around where the seam was. Let's see if we can get it in the light for you here. And if you can kind of see down in through there, it looks like right along those seams there's a lot of rust. But nothing that looked like it was going to be catastrophically exploding when I added more. But needless to say, I feel a whole lot better checking. Now I know it actually does have an expiration date, and it always is better be safe than sorry. So there's our 20-year-old air tank. We just took a look. Rust wasn't too bad in there. There is an expiration date on those, especially with this one. Again, remember, whenever you condense air, there's humidity in there, creates rust. We, I think, got very lucky with this particular air tank. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you again soon.